fabulous ladies! Today we are going to talk about luxury spa days, what to expect, what to do and what to avoid, and how to really make the most of the experience. Every spa has its own little rituals, especially in a luxury setting. But once you know the basics, it's actually very simple and incredibly relaxing. And if it's your first time at a spa and you are curious about how it all works, or you visit frequently and just want a little etiquette refresh, this video is for you. I will be showing the clips from the beautiful Kempinski Spa in Bansko, but the tips I'm sharing apply to most high-end spas. So let's start. What to expect at a spa? When you arrive, you will check in the spa reception. If you have booked treatments ahead of time, which I highly recommend, they will confirm your appointment and direct you to the changing area. You will usually receive a robe, slippers and a towel. If you are staying at a hotel, it's even more convenient. You already have a robe in your room, so you just come down wearing it, and at reception you will get a towel, and that's it. You are all set. Once you have changed and ready, you can go to the thermal area. At many luxury spas, like the one at the Kempinski, you will find a beautifully designed space with saunas, steam rooms, and ice room even, and sometimes a pool or jacuzzi. It's the perfect way to start slowing down, warm up your body, and just prepare and enjoy the whole experience. After that, you can wait for your treatment in the quiet relaxation lounge. You will usually be in your robe with calming music in the background and offered something like herbal tea or water infused with cucumber, lemon or mint. It's a lovely pause where you can just settle in and let your body fully relax. When it's time, your therapist will come to collect you and gently guide you to the treatment room. Everything is done with care and in a very calm, respectful way. So you can just let go and enjoy the moment from beginning to end. Spa do's and don'ts. Let's talk about a few spa etiquette essentials, just to make sure your experience is as smooth and respectful as possible. Keep your voice low. Most spa areas are designed for quiet, calm energy. Speak softly, and in silent zones, it's best not to speak at all. It helps everyone relax, including you. Always shower before using the facilities. This is especially important before going into pools, saunas or steam rooms. It's more hygienic and also part of proper spa culture. No for phones. Ideally, leave your phone in the locker. If you must have it, keep it on silent and don't take calls or avoid photos. It's not the place for selfies or scrolling, just for relaxation. Respect personal space. If you are going to a sauna or steam room and it looks full, wait. Don't squeeze in. Luxury is about space and comfort, and that includes for others too. Bring a towel and sit on it. When using saunas or steam rooms, it's standard to place a towel underneath you. It's not only cleaner, but also more comfortable. Be on time for your treatment. Arrive at least 15-20 minutes early. It gives you time to settle in, enjoy the facilities and not feel rushed. If you are late, they may shorten your session or cancel it at all, and you will be fully charged anyway. Speak up during treatments. If something feels too warm, too cold, or if the pressure is too much, say something. Therapists appreciate the feedback, and your comfort matters. No perfumes or strong scents. Spas are scent-sensitive environments. Skip perfume for the day. Your treatment oils will do the job beautifully instead. Types of treatment. Most luxury spas offer a wide selection of treatments, from massages and facials to body scrubs and more advanced therapies. If it's your first time, something like a classic full body massage or a gentle facial is a perfect place to start. You don't need to overthink it, just choose something that feels right for you in the moment. And what are the most common spa treatments? Swedish massage. Gentle and relaxing, perfect for beginners. Deep tissue massage. More pressure, great for tension and muscle stiffness. Aromatherapy massage, my favorite, one of my favorites. Includes essential oils for added benefits. Hot stone massage, deeply soothing with warm stones. Classic facial includes cleansing, exfoliation and hydration. Body scrub or exfoliation removes dead skin and leaves your skin super smooth. Rubs, usually hydrating or detoxifying, often with mud or seaweed. Before your treatment, you will be asked to undress to your comfort level. Most spas provide disposable underwear, or you can choose to keep your own on. Everything is handled professionally and with great respect for your privacy. During the treatment, don't hesitate to speak up. If the pressure is too much, if you feel cold or hot, or if something doesn't feel quite right. It's completely okay to let your therapist know. This is your time, and the experience should feel relaxing and comfortable for you. What to bring and how to prepare. Try not to arrive right after a heavy meal. It's much more comfortable when you feel light and relaxed. And do drink water before and after your visit. It really helps, especially if you are using saunas or steam rooms. Make sure to use the bathroom before your treatments, especially if you have booked a longer massage, let's say 90 minutes. You definitely don't want to interrupt your long massage, your long treatment midway through. Bring a swimsuit if you plan to use the facilities like the pools or the thermal area. Also, remember to bring a towel with you to the sauna. It's hygienic, as we said before, to sit on it. A hair tie is essential if you have long hair. It just makes everything more comfortable for you, especially in the heat or during treatments. It's best to wear minimal or no makeup, especially if you are having a facial. Let your skin breathe and you will get the most benefits from the treatment. And my tip, if you are booking more than one treatment in a day, say a body massage and a facial, try to schedule the massage first. You don't want all the beautiful goodness from your facial to be wrapped off on a towel during a massage later on. I also like to leave about 90 minutes between treatments. That gives me time for a light lunch and to relax in the lounge and enjoy the whole experience. So ideally it's massage or body treatment first, then a break, and then the facial to finish the day beautifully. Spa days are such a lovely way to reset as a part of a holiday or just a little time off for yourself. I hope this video gave you a clear idea of how it all works, what to expect, and how to make the most of it, especially in a luxury setting. If you have any favorite spa rituals or tips of your own, I would love to hear them in the comments. And if you have a favorite spa in the UK or in Europe, just let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I have more lifestyle, travel and fashion content coming up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.